Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share how to make this name gift box bookshelf. It's a great gift idea. It's very easy to make and it's personalized. So let's get started. So first we're going to make the box. So first we need a 12 by 10 centimeter paper and mark it at 2 centimeters on all four sides. Mark them as shown and then cut as shown in the diagram. Go ahead and fold all the marked areas. Now glue them together so that the box is ready. Now to make the box cover, we need to take a 17.4 by 8 centimeter paper and mark it at 6, 2.2, 6, 2.2 and 1 centimeter. Fold the 1 centimeter and then join them as shown. Now you can add scrapbook papers to decorate it. So here's our box is ready. I've made 6 such boxes because my name needs 6 letter alphabets. Now taking these alphabet stickers, I'm going to attach one on the side of each of them as shown to make the name. Now take a 17.4 by 17.5 by 10 centimeter paper and mark it on 2 centimeters as shown. Then go ahead, fold them, cut them and glue them as shown to make a box. Now you can add all the boxes as shown in an order so that the name is seen. Now just to give it balance, you need to take a 13.5 by 11 centimeter sheet and add a scrapbook paper on top of it. Just take this sheet and glue it on the back of the box like this. And so our name gift box is ready. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.